When you get to Quizlet, you're going to see your cards here. What I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to write these words down in your notebook or on a sheet of paper, because you're going to need to know how to spell these words when you play the game that I want you to play. So the way you do that is you're going to write joy, go to the next word, then write shadows, go to the next word, write scurried, rhythm, and splattered. Okay, once you finish writing these words, you're going to be practicing the definition, just like we learned them already when we went over them earlier. Well, you're going to be practicing them. I want you to come down here to where it says gravity. Now you can see the definition for this word. If you click on it, it tells you again, just to remind you what that definition is, if you need a reminder, okay? But once you get to gravity right here, you're going to click on get started. All right, click on get started. This right here is, these options are very important because you need to make sure that they're set the way you want them. You want it to say all, and this one right here, it might say definition, it might say random, but you want it to say term because you're going to be typing in the word. Term means word, so you need to make sure that this one is set to term. Every single time you play Quizlet, you want it to say term. Here, the difficulty, you can choose easy, medium, or hard. I'm going to suggest that you leave it on medium just so that you can get the hang of it. If it's too hard, then come back and press easy. If it's too easy, then you can go over to hard. Okay, so then you press let's go. And this is how it's going to look. You're going to start the game, and it's an asteroid game. All right, and then the definition is going to come down, moved quickly. So here is where you want to look at your words on your paper, in your notebook, and you're going to type it up. And you have to type it before the asteroid falls, and you press enter. And that's how you're going to be getting your little points right here. A musical pattern. Well, I remember, okay, I'm going to look at my card or look at my words on my notebook. Rhythm, so that I can spell it correctly. Okay, now if this is too fast, you can go back to easy. If this is too slow, you can go on to hard. Okay, you can restart the game. Get started, and it's going to ask you the same thing. Make sure that the term is there, and here you can change it to easy, or you can go to hard, and you press it again, and it's going to start all over again for you. Okay, make sure that you're looking at your notebook with the words that you just wrote. See, this one has two of them because this is hard. A feeling of great, so you've got to type them quickly. Okay, you got to type them quickly. It's a little bit harder, so that it's up to you. If it's too hard, you can restart and go back to medium. All right, good luck, have fun.